My 3 minute speech. My topic is all about the power of small daily discipline. Good day everyone. I have ever wondered why so many people start with a big dreams but only few actually achieve them. We often think success from one hug moment, one lucky breaks, one big opportunity. But truth is something much simpler. Success is built on small consistent daily discipline. I choose this topic because it changed my life. There was a time when I kept delaying something, assessment, personal goals, even small responsibility. I was always waiting for one perfect moment to start, but the perfect moments ever come. One day, I realized something important. If I wanted my life to change, my habits and had to change first. Discipline thus means punishing yourself. It's about being perfect. It's about choosing what you want most over what you want now. For example, waking up on a little earlier, prepare for class, practicing a skill just 10 minutes. They are choosing a finish a task instead of scrolling on your phone. These choosing seems small, but over time they build momentum. Think disciplines like planting a seed. On first day, you see nothing. On the second day, still nothing. But if you keep watering it consistently, even when you tried, eventually it grows roots. And once the roots are strong, the plants break through the soil. That's how disciplines work quickly, slowly, and powerfully. In our generation, distractions are everywhere. It's so easy to lose focus, but disciplines act like internal compass. It guides from when things get hard. It keeps moving when motivation disappears. Motivation is the spark, but discipline is the engine that keeps you going. Let me share the example truth. You will not always feel motivated, but you can't always choose to be disciplined. And the good news, discipline is a skill. You can train it. Start small, commit to one tiny habit today. Because once you prove to yourself that you can be consistent in small things, you gain confidence to make on a bigger responsibilities. As I end this speech, I want to remember one thing: you futures depend on you. You don't today. Don't tomorrow, not next week. Today start with small step, build your discipline, and watch how your life slowly transform.